Welcome to the R90 page. So you are here. This is our flagship receiver from Alinav, and let me show you what it looks like. This is the receiver itself. See, it's still wrapped in plastic. This is brand new. There's your on buttons, Bluetooth, showing you satellite tracking, all that sort of thing. The nice thing about this receiver, it's built-in camera and laser in the front. So when you're in the field and there's hard to reach places that you need to measure, building corners, that sort of thing, you switch your laser on. And also why there's a camera is if it's in daylight, so you can actually see on the camera where it's pointing. So you don't have to look for the laser, you can just point the cursor at whatever you want to measure. The IMU is calibrated, it knows exactly the direction that it's pointing at. Very, very advanced, very smart technology built into this. Then it's got a camera at the bottom, this one here, that works very well when you do stakeout work. So it gives you a live picture on your controller with the arrow and the line to show you exactly in real time on the camera itself where you need to go, where the point is that you're looking for or that you want to place or stake out or whatever. So when you get close to the position, it will actually show you it's next to the curb over here. So there's no more walking past the same point about 11 times and then the GPS says no, go back 2 meters, no, go forward 1 meter, go past 1.5 meters, go west 2 meters again, drive you crazy in the field. So this will actually show you in real time where the point is. And the laser, battery built in as well, so you charge the unit, no more forgetting your batteries at the guest house, all that sort of thing. You'll notice the size of this. It's incredible that they can pack all this technology into a receiver of this size and the weight. So the mission is to create very advanced technologies like this in the smallest possible package. So you don't tear your muscles in the field while you have to carry this around. Like other companies that I can't name, that looks like you strapped a laptop to your survey pole. Our controller is big enough, the screen is big, and the receiver is small, very advanced, the latest technology, and it's not going to kill you while you have to carry this into the field. If the system, how we sell it, is with the R26 Pro as your base. It makes 0 sense to put this on as your base station. The most advanced receiver with the laser and the cameras, and use this as a base. I see a lot of companies still do this. They will convince you to buy a system like this as a base and a rover. It makes 0 sense. You use this as your base. This is standing on a tripod doing nothing except sending you corrections in real time. Or you can create your own N-trip signal over the internet. You can connect like that as well. Yes, so that is how you will see the system and receive the system if you want to buy a base and a rover. If you really want, you can have two of them as a base and a rover, but I do not recommend it because it's going to cost you more money and it's not going to benefit you at all. I would rather buy it like this and then later on maybe buy just a receiver by itself, and you can connect it to the same base station and you have powerful rovers in the field. I just want to show you what the controller looks like. Sorry, Neil, can I have the controller? Sorry, I just want to show it also. Thanks. So this is the controller. You can see the screen, very nice, nice size with the buttons. Yes, it doesn't look like a laptop that you're gonna carry yourself. It's very light. It's got very nice camera at the back. You want to take pictures of your work in the field. Software is very advanced. Alright, stop this one. So just to show you the laser function, it's very simple to use. When you are in your measuring menu, where you measure points and you get stuck and you want to measure something that you can't access, you just click on this button. It says aim, the camera switches on with the laser. Here's the receiver. That is what the laser will look like. And then if I point it, that's why I said about the crosshair. If I point it to something in my yard or at my office, you can see how the distance changes. So now I'm meeting that target, but I can actually see the laser still. It won't be visible on the video obviously, but yeah, just to give you a nice idea about how the laser works. You can see the distance changing as I point at something else. 4.5, 3.7 meters. Just to show you something before we switch on the stakeout camera, because this software runs on Android, you can use it on any Android phone as well, but I do recommend the controller. It's built for these sort of things. So if you click on a point that you want to stake out, you'll see there's navigate and stakeout. Navigate actually opens Google Maps and it will take you via the road in your car, as if you're driving to a location using Google Maps, which I think is very cool. I've used this many times when I was looking for a trick beacon and all that. Okay, but when you click on stake out and you click on AR, then you'll see the camera will switch on, and then you follow the arrow. Obviously this point is just a fake point, extremely far away, but you can see it even animates your pole and it shows you where to go, and you follow the arrows, and when you get close to it, it will show you the location exactly on the corner of something or whatever. So this is very, very helpful in the field.